Hi guys, welcome back to another short video on the Dronetimer. This time it's a little bit out of the box usage of the Dronetimer. I had the chance over the holidays to get back to my old Carrera track, and I wanted to try whether the Dronetimer can also time slot cars properly. Here you can see the two slot cars that I used, the Audi RS5 DTM and the LaFerrari in yellow. Setting the Dronetimer up for the application with slot cars is actually fairly simple. As you can see, it's the same procedure as with the drones. I'm just calibrating the colors. In this case, the cars already have nice and easy to distinguish colors, so I don't have to use colored paper. Just calibrating it like usual. Then here you can see I'm checking whether the calibration worked, and you can see the yellow car is detected very well, while the red car is not detected in the same screen. And now vice versa, doing the check with the red car is detected very well, and also when I put in the yellow car, there's hardly any disturbance by the yellow car. Now I'm starting the cars. As I was alone and had no guide to control the camera, I set both cars up as kind of ghost cars, so they're driving by themselves, but it should already make clear how the thing works.
Red 0 min 6.6 seconds. Green 0 min 9.5 seconds. Red 0 min 10.2 seconds. Green 0 min 9.5 seconds. Red 0 min 9.3, 0 min 9.0 seconds. Red 0 min 9.3, 0 min 9.3 seconds. Red green 0 min 8.7 seconds. Green red 0 min 9.9 seconds. Green 0 min red 0 min 10.4 seconds. Green 0 min 9 red 0 min 10.2 seconds.
To conclude the video, I want to show you one more feature which might be useful for you. You are now able to plot lap times with the Dronetimer. It's a feature which I added in one of the last releases. So here you can, for example, see what were the times of the red and the green car. This is maybe nice to have information, especially if you don't have highly sophisticated timing mechanisms on your Carrera track. You can also set or reset the scale, which I'm doing now, and as soon as you apply the new values, you get a zoomed out view on your lap times. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, feel free to comment below. See you next time.